Welcome to Unique Data for Unique Videos. In this video we will tell you about price comparison of highest grossing movies. Guardians of the Galaxy, revenue $772 million. Star Wars Episode 4, revenue $775 million. Deadpool, revenue $782 million. Deadpool 2, revenue $785 million. Jumanji, revenue $788 million. Fast and Furious 6, revenue $788 million. Spider-Man 2, revenue $788 million. Indiana Jones, revenue $788 million. Mission Impossible Fallout, revenue $791 million. 2012, revenue $791 million. Extraterrestrial, revenue $793 million. Pirates of the Caribbean, revenue $794 million. Harry Potter, revenue $796 million. Coco, revenue $807 million. Shrek the Third, revenue $813 million. Fantastic Beasts, revenue $814 million. Independence Day, revenue $817 million. Wonder Woman, revenue $821 million. Spider-Man, revenue $827 million. The Twilight Saga, revenue $829 million. Inception, revenue $829 million. Transformers, revenue $836 million. Thor Ragnarok, revenue $853 million. Venom, revenue $856 million. Inside Out, revenue $857 million. Guardians of the Galaxy Volume 2, revenue $863 million. The Hunger Games, revenue $865 million. Star Wars Episode 3, revenue $868 million. Wolf Warrior 2, revenue $870 million. Batman vs Superman, revenue $873 million. The Secret Life of Pets, revenue $875 million. Ice Age, revenue $877 million. Harry Potter and the Chamber of Secrets, revenue $879 million. Spectre, revenue $880 million. The Lord of the Rings, revenue $887 million. Spider-Man 3, revenue $894 million. Harry Potter and the Goblet of the Fire, revenue $896 million. Bohemian Rhapsody, revenue $903 million. Shrek 2, revenue $928 million. Harry Potter and the Half-Blood Prince, revenue $934 million. Finding Nemo, revenue $940 million. Harry Potter and the Order of the Phoenix, revenue $942 million. The Lord of the Rings, The Two Towers, revenue $951 million. The Hobbit, The Battle of the Five Enemies, revenue $956 million. The Hobbit, The Desolation of Smaug, revenue $958 million. Pirates of the Caribbean at World's End, revenue $960 million. Jumanji, Welcome to the Jungle, revenue $962 million. The Jungle Book, revenue $966 million. The Lion King, revenue $970 million. Despicable Me 2, revenue $976 million. Harry Potter and the Deathly Hallows, revenue $978 million. Harry Potter and the Sorcerer's Stone, revenue $1 billion. Zootopia, revenue $1.02 billion. Alice in the Wonderland, revenue $1.02 billion. Star Wars Episode 1, revenue $1.02 billion. Finding Dory, revenue $1.02 billion. Jurassic Park, revenue $1.03 billion. Despicable Me 3, revenue $1.03 billion. Pirates of the Caribbean on Stranger Tides, revenue $1.04 billion. Aladdin, revenue $1.05 billion. Rogue One, a Star Wars story, revenue $1.05 billion. Pirates of the Caribbean, Dead Man's Ghost, revenue $1.06 billion. Toy Story 3, revenue $1.06 billion. Star Wars Rise of the Skywalker, revenue $1.07 billion. Toy Story 4, revenue $1.07 billion. Joker, revenue $1.07 billion. The Dark Knight Rises, revenue $1.08 billion. Transformers Age of Extinction, revenue $1.10 billion. Skyfall, revenue $1.10 billion. Captain Marvel, revenue $1.12 billion. Spider-Man Far From Home, revenue $1.13 billion. The Lord of the Rings, The Return of the King, revenue $1.14 billion. Aquaman, revenue $1.14 billion. Captain America Civil War, revenue $1.15 billion. Minions, revenue $1.15 billion. Iron Man 3, revenue $1.21 billion. The Fate of the Furious, revenue $1.23 billion. Incredibles 2, revenue $1.24 billion. Beauty and the Beast, revenue $1.26 billion. Frozen, revenue $1.28 billion. Jurassic World Fallen Kingdom, revenue $1.30 billion. Black Panther, revenue $1.34 billion. Avengers Age of Ultron, revenue $1.40 billion. Frozen 2, revenue $1.44 billion. Furious 7, revenue $1.51 billion. The Avengers, revenue $1.51 billion. The Lion King, revenue $1.65 billion. Jurassic World, revenue $1.67 billion. Avengers Infinity War, revenue $2.04 billion. Star Wars Episode 7, revenue $2.06 billion. Titanic, revenue $2.19 billion. Avatar, revenue $2.79 billion. Avengers Endgame, revenue $2.80 billion. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel for more such interesting videos.